Hello! Derek here from IM Deals, where we give you up-to-date reviews of latest software technology products in the market. Today I am going to be reviewing a product called GoProSuite, telling you the features and benefits of this product, as well as my likes and dislikes. I will also show you the OTO and my exclusive VIP bonuses. Before I go on, let me inform you from the start that this product will be launching today, at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. With that said, let's jump right in to take a look at the sales page for this product. Here it says, get unlimited website and cloud storage and autoresponder with inbuilt SMTP at an unbeatable low one-time fee. I think it's an incredible software. But before I start assessing it, let us go through some of the things that this software can do for you. You will get a brand new 3-in-1 business boosting technology, unlimited websites and domains hosting on a fast server, plus unlimited cloud storage space, and the ability to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers using an inbuilt SMTP system. I think these are the core offers of this product, and honestly, they are mind-blowing. Offering you 3 superpower apps in one. The first app is called GoProHost. And this is the app that gives you unlimited website and domain hosting. The second application is the GoPro Mail, which gives you the access to send unlimited emails to unlimited contacts using a free inbuilt SMTP system. And the third application is the GoPro Drive, which gives you the power to store and share an unlimited amount of files of any size. Let's take a look at the complete list of features of this software suite. With GoProHost you can host unlimited website without any restrictions. Create unlimited domains and unlimited subdomains. 450 plus applications with one-click installation. Free SSL certificate and highly secured hosting. 100% uptime guarantee. Easy to use control panel. One-click WordPress installation. Unlimited bandwidth. Automated daily backup. Firewall protection, and others. Offering all of these at a peanut one-time payment is simply incredible. For a fact, this is how much an unlimited number of website hosting costs at GoDaddy. As you can see, here you'll be paying about $14 per month on their deluxe plan, or pay $20 per month on their supreme plan. Both plans also come with unlimited websites and unlimited storage space, but my focus for comparing GoProSuite and GoDaddy is on the pricing. Also, if you go to Bluehost Fast Server Service, you'll get an even more expensive amount. Over here at Bluehost 120 gigabytes of SSD storage will cost you about $60 per month. So, for me, getting unlimited website hosting and domains is a big win. The second app you will be getting if you buy GoProSuite at the launch price today is the GoPro Mail. Like I said, at a one-time fee, no upgrade, no monthly charge, you can send unlimited emails to an unlimited number of contacts. Other autoresponders are charging thousands of dollars for this service. Take for example a Weber. A Weber charges $150 for a list of 25,000 people. In a year, you would be spending a minimum of $1,753.80, and that's if your subscribers never increased. If your contacts happen to increase, you will pay more. Let us see another email marketing software like ActiveCampaign. If you are using ActiveCampaign, you will be paying $259 for a list of 25,000, and in a year, you have spent nothing less than $3,108. For just sending emails, whether or not you made money from their emails is not their business. The last app is the GoPro Drive, just like Google Drive, just like iCloud, Dropbox and the likes. But why I recommend GoPro Drive is because of the unlimited storage space and collaboration tool. With these other services including Google, they give you some amount of free storage, then they start charging you a monthly subscription. For instance, with Google Drive, once your file storage goes beyond 15 gigabytes, you start paying a monthly subscription. Right now, I am currently paying to use Google Drive because my storage space has gone beyond 15 gigabytes. The same with iCloud. Same with Dropbox and others. So, these are the core features of this app, which is why I will recommend it to anyone. Every other thing on this page is just playing their sales and marketing roles. But as long as this software suite comes with these 3 core apps, trust me, it's worth more than $17 to acquire. So, if you are interested, I encourage you to go ahead and get it during this launch period so you can benefit from the low price offer. Let's look at some of the upgrades available. OTO 1 is GoProSuite Unlimited, and it is between $37 to $47. Here are some of the extra packs you get. I think what the creators did here was to extract some of the core features of each of the 3 apps and put them together. I will recommend you get the OTO 1 because 1. It offers you the ability to send automated sequences, check bounce rates, list management, data protection, automatic website backup, unlock all unlimited features, and give your commercial license, so you can use this to increase your revenue. OTO 2 is GoProSuite done for you. Let me just read out what it offers. It says our team will migrate all your websites from your slow servers to our blazing fast servers by our experts. Our team will move your files and data to our servers and set it as per your wish. Sit back and relax because you don't have to wait for your cloud to be ready with all of your data that you need. Our team will set up your autoresponder to our servers as per your wish, and you can sit back and relax and save you time and money. Do I recommend you get this? Yes. I recommend it if you're not tech savvy, or you don't have all the time to do the manual work. And I think the price is also fair for the work involved. OTO 3 is GoProSuite Agency. With this you can create up to 250 user accounts for your clients and teams, manage users, and sell your user seats and charge monthly or yearly, whichever you want. So, if you would like to monetize GoProSuite to offer these incredible services to others and earn thousands of dollars every month, this upgrade gives you the ability to do that. Finally, you have OTO 4, which is the GoProSuite reseller rights, for people who want to convert this app to their own, sell and keep 100% profit. I think that all of the upgrades are insanely valuable. Lastly, before I drop the mic, let me show you some of the custom bonus offers for this product. Bonus number 1 is WordPress website security. It's free training that teaches you how to secure your website. Bonus number 2 is the site speed secrets. Number 3 is the website site transfer tutorial videos. Bonus number 4 is the list building blueprint. And finally, you have the $100 per day blueprint. That's all about GoProSuite. So, now to the big question, what do I like about this software? I love the fact that it offers so much value for a pocket-friendly price. So I think that one of the biggest benefits of purchasing this product is the savings it affords you. You'll save thousands of dollars in hosting, domain, data storage, and email marketing costs. It also offers you an opportunity to monetize the features as an agency, or sell the entire software as your own with the reseller upgrade. Personally, I will be getting this too, once it goes live. I recommend you get yours. And if you do get this app through my link, the bonuses below will be all yours.